Hello everyone, thanks for joining me again today. And if you've been following along in my lawn care series or playlist, we had just done some seeding. We seeded the entire yard, and now it's time for some starter fertilizer. So this video is going to talk about starter fertilizer. I want to show you something that I've used before in just some small areas, and I'm going to use it for the first time after seeding my entire lawn. This is the Jonathan Green Very Green Seeding and Sodding Lawn Food. It's a great starter fertilizer. It's perfect for your new seeds. It is going to help with your germination, to get that germinating faster, and then to help in the early stages of your lawn growth and to promote a great root system. So this, like I said, I had some really good experience with this. I had some two different spots and some patches that I was doing, and I wasn't getting the best germination. And then once I put some of this on one of the areas, I had noticed that the grass started coming up much faster. So I'm gonna apply this on the entire lawn after we had just seeded, which you can see in the playlist. I'm gonna link the playlist up here if you want to go back to the seeding portion. And then we're gonna see how long this thing takes to germinate. Hopefully the weather conditions will be optimal. We're gonna definitely do the right watering, but next thing you're gonna do is watch me apply this. I'm gonna show you how what's on the bag and the spreader settings, and then afterwards we're gonna do a little recap, and then you can come back and watch a follow-up video to see how the grass is doing. Here we have the 45-pound Very Green starter fertilizer, and if we flip it over, it'll give you the spreader and setting instructions here, depending on whether you're using a broadcast spreader or a drop spreader. If you're not sure which spreader to choose, if you don't have one, I have a video on spreaders that I can share with you, but I'm using the Jonathan Green Deluxe, so my setting here is going to be between 12 and 13. What I like to do is I like to set the setting a little bit lower to start with and make sure it's coming out properly. And then if I need to, I can do a second pass. As you can see, it's really easy to apply. I want to make sure, if I didn't mention it earlier, that you definitely want to apply this immediately after or right just before you put your seed down. You also do not want to do it right before a large storm is expected. You should do it if you have a little bit of rain coming, and if not, water your lawn as you would for new seeds. But you don't want to do this before a huge rain is going to come, because you're going to wash everything away. Anyway, if you have any questions, please ask them down below in the comments section. And like I said, I'm going to link to the playlist down below. One of the videos you're going to see down here, one of the little images, is to watch the entire playlist. I'm hoping that you do that, and we'll like to see you on the next upcoming video.